Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. As you can see by the title, I'm making the viral dirty spaghetti. So I'm using some ground beef. I'm seasoning it with adobo, garlic powder, black pepper, roasted garlic and herb seasoning, some Montreal chicken seasoning, and some sazon. Okay, so now you gotta mix it up really good. So I seen this recipe trending on YouTube and Instagram, so I decided to make it my way. Okay, so I added about 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, so instead of adding some tomato paste like everybody else in their videos, I added some diced tomatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some olive oil into the pot for my noodles. So while my water boils, I'm gonna be adding some beef bouillon. Okay, so now you're just gonna stir that up really well. Then I'm gonna be adding about 2 cups of water, and I'm gonna let that simmer for like 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna be adding my noodles into the pot. Now that the noodles are done, I'm just gonna be adding them in and mixing them in really well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, if you would try this recipe, make sure you hit the like button and comment.